They say time flies, pero ramdam ko pa rin each moment. Every exam, every friendship. Kaya palagi kong binabalikan ang mga alaala at aral para umusad at magpatuloy. Naalala ko ang first time na umupo sa school desk. Young, eager, full of dreams. Parang hindi kakayanin ang mga subjects. Pero I persevered. Oh, how I persevered. Through my teachers and my classmates, I learned. Nagtanim ako ng memories na naghubog sa akin. Binabalikan ang mga yon to remind me how each failure was a step towards success. Every book, every friendship, every late night study session, it shaped my youth. Hindi lang yon about the past. Yung wisdom I share with my grandchildren now. And the lessons? Mga natutunan from trial and error, success and setbacks, they grow with me. They evolve even now, facing new stages in life. Pinagpala ako dahil sa aking wise mentors, loving family, and faithful friends. They are the memories I cherish, the lessons I hold dear. They help me para umusad at magpatuloy. As I look towards my golden years, I don't see an end. Nakikita ko ang continuation. My past, it propels me. It inspires me to write, teach my grandchildren, and give back to my community. Ikaw din, cherish the memories. Learn from the lessons. Hindi lang yan echoes of youth. They are whispers of wisdom. Binabalikan ko ang memories at lessons to keep moving. May your journey be filled with richness. May your path be clear. At may you always find the strength na umusad at magpatuloy. Kasi sa memories and lessons, we find our legacy.